Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to boost trust and sales on Shopify store? In this video, I will show you how to add a clean, professional, and professional testimonial slider. No coding needed, step by step, even in 2025 latest Shopify updates. Who I add testimonials? Testimonials are one of the best ways to build trust. A slider makes them look clean and modern, especially on mobile. Whether you are selling products or services, showcasing happy customer reviews and can increase conversion rates fast. Now, first of all, go to shopify.com, log into your account with your user login credentials. From the left menu, go to online store, then click themes, then customize. Beside your current theme. Now we will use a free app to add a slider. Go to Shopify App Store. From other tab, and search for testimonial slider. Some great options include like looks, search for looks, then review, and testimonial sliders. By for this tutorial, I will use it. Click install. Once installed, open the app and create a new widget. Choose a slider layout, then enter a few simple testimonial. Click create testimonial. Then select one like that. Now let's customize it. Most apps let you change fonts and colors. Click next. From basic settings, source, you can add URL. Testimonial form, advanced settings, number of column 3, then click next, again next. Now click publish and preview. You can edit before, after, or after publishing. So head back to your theme editor, refresh it. To add slider on the home page, click add section, then click custom liquid. Or apps if using a theme integrated block. Paste your slider code and click save. You can also add it to product pages, about us, or dedicated testimonials page. Just repeat the process in the right section. Make sure to preview your slider on both and mobile. It's look like that. Want to automate this? My testimonial apps let you send review request emails after purchases or import reviews from Google or Facebook. This keeps your slider fresh when with real updated reviews, and that's it. If you have now added a high converting testimonial slider to your Shopify store the smart way. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.